In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva with Claude. Let's get started. To connect Canva to Claude, I start on the main workspace screen and click the plus icon inside the prompt box. A drop-down menu appears with several options. I hover over Add Connector and select Browse Connectors. This opens the directory window displaying available integrations. I click on the search bar at the top, type in Canva, and select the official Canva connector from the search results. On the Details page, I click the black Connect button in the top right corner, which opens a pop-up window prompting me to sign in. A new tab opens to the Canva authorization page listing account permissions. I scroll down to review the details and click the purple Allow button at the bottom. Once authorization succeeds, I return to the Claude tab where a dark notification banner at the bottom right confirms that Canva is now connected. To verify the setup, I click the plus icon in the prompt box again, hover over connectors, and make sure Canva is toggled on and active. With the connector active, I click into the message field to enter my prompt. I type at Canva create a logo for my coffee shop Coffee Lumina. Once typed out, I click the send button on the right side of the prompt box. Claude begins searching Canva templates and generating logo designs, displaying status updates as it creates the visual concepts. When processing finishes, 4 candidate logo designs appear in a horizontal carousel inside the chat, along with a short summary below them. I click the navigation arrows on the carousel to scroll through and compare each option. When I find the design I like, I click directly on its thumbnail card to open a larger preview modal. From there, I click the Open in Canva button in the top right corner and confirm by clicking Open Link. This redirects me to Canva, opening the design directly inside the editor canvas where every element is fully editable. I click on the text elements to select them, open the text color palette from the top toolbar to view styling options, and select the extra text layer above the main name. I click the delete icon on the floating menu to remove it, leaving a clean logo layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Canva with Claude.